Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PSU. You must ground yourself to prevent static damage. Once done, remove the side panel and get a clear view of the GPU from the front and side. You're looking for where the card bends and whether the bracket screws or backplate are loose. Make sure to unplug any power connectors before any adjustments. This initial inspection tells you whether you need a quick screw tighten or a small support bracket for longer-term correction. You'll tighten the bracket screws and check the PCIe retention clip. Use firm, even torque, but don't over-tighten. Next, install a support solution, a 3D printed brace, a rubber-tipped adjustable stand, or a commercial GPU brace positioned under the PCB near the power connectors. Make sure the support contacts non-sensitive areas like the backplate or PCB edge. You want to distribute load, not pinch components. Also verify the support does. You should now reassemble the case enough to power up and confirm everything sits square. Make sure to monitor thermals and look for visual artifacts for 10 to 15 minutes. If you still see sag, add a second support near the bracket or swap to longer, properly threaded screws to pull the card flush. If problems persist, power down, reseat the card, and try a different PCIe slot to isolate slot versus card issues. If you suspect PCB damage, stop and consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.